Today we're going to be showing you how to make vegan ramen. I'm Max.
I'm Michelle.
Maxwell Bates channel.
And so let's get into the video.
First, put the bouillon in.
We have how much water in here?
475 grams.
It's steaming hot. You're making your broth. How much bouillon do you have there?
This is beef bouillon.
20 grams. Add the water and veggie bouillon paste numbered together to get the amount you need for veggie broth. However, if you get the box stuff, you might want to reduce it a little, although I would recommend low sodium. If you like it spicy, add 1/8 of a teaspoon or 2 to 4 grams of red rooster sauce.
It's going to add a little spice. If you like it more spicy.
If you're not a big fan of spicy, you don't have to add it.
However, it works well. Add 200 grams of cooked rice noodles or 1 cup worth.
We pre-cooked them. You could also use ramen noodles. Stay tuned for a video on ramen noodles in the future.
Now we're going to put the cruciferous vegetables in. So this is kale, cabbage, and
Brussels sprouts.
All cut up already. You can buy it in a pack from Trader Joe's. Check out our grocery haul video for that. Link in the video description. Or you can just chop up a whole bunch of cruciferous veggies and it works well. Then now we have our mushrooms we cooked on the stove. We sauteed in a pan with just a little bit of water, or you could also add some coconut aminos to it to season your mushrooms.
We're using 2 white button mushrooms, but oyster mushrooms would work well also.
we're going to add 4 pieces of tofu. You can add more tofu if you're interested.
This is a great substitution. It gives it the eyiness that you might be missing in traditional animal ramen and gives it some texture.
Now here's some green Italian basil.
You could also use all sorts of different types of basil. This is just what we grow in our garden in the back, and this works really well. And then finally, we have some purple basil that we're going to be adding on last. And so this is what it looks like. We'll be back for a taste test. Hello, so we're back, and now it's taste test time. So you can also use fork or chopsticks, but this way you get a little bit of everything, and this works pretty well. Now we're going to try it. It's very good. The tofu provides a creaminess and luxurious fattiness from it, and the broth is super umami and monosodium glutamate-y.
And the cruciferous vegetables give it a great punch. The basil gives it the herbaceousness.
And the noodles give it the substance, and the mushrooms are amazing with it because it gives it the additional texture and some almost grizzliness that makes it more toothful. And the broth is very good, and it's very reasonably priced to make. So, I'm Max.
I'm Michelle.
Thanks for watching Maxwell Bates channel.
And leave your comments down below on
What soup is your favorite and what soup you want us to make in the future.
Or other comments. And I'll have links in the video description to all the different things that I have in here, and then also more resources and links to playlists of other food videos that you might be interested in to check out after this. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Click the little bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. Like it if you liked it because it really does help, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!